Hey there, welcome to Dark Spaceway. And today we have an exciting space news update. We'll be diving into SpaceX's upcoming Starship flight, NASA's first year-long Mars mission simulation, and the potential delays for the Artemis 3 lunar lander. So, buckle up and let's blast off. First up, exciting news from SpaceX. Elon Musk has announced that the next test flight of the Starship launch system is just around the corner, set to happen in about 4 weeks. This will be the 5th test flight for the most powerful rocket ever built, standing 400 feet tall. Starship, composed of the Super Heavy booster and the upper stage spacecraft simply called Starship, has shown remarkable progress with each test. The latest flight on June 6th went off without a hitch, with both stages performing perfectly and splashing down in their designated locations. What makes this next flight particularly thrilling is SpaceX's plan to bring the Super Heavy booster back for a pinpoint landing on the launch mount, using the chopstick arms of the launch tower. If successful, this bold strategy will significantly increase the flight cadence of Starship, allowing for quicker turnaround times between launches. Elon Musk is confident this approach will streamline the inspection, refurbishment, and relaunch process, making space travel more efficient than ever. Next, let's talk about an incredible milestone in NASA's journey to Mars. Today marks the end of NASA's first year-long mock Mars mission, part of the CHAPEA series, which began on June 25, 2023. 4 brave volunteers, Kelly Haston, Anka Solariu, Ross Brockwell, and Nathan Jones, have spent the last 378 days in a simulated Mars habitat at NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. This 1,700 square foot 3D printed habitat, known as Mars Dune Alpha, was designed to replicate the conditions astronauts will face on the Red Planet. The crew conducted Mars walks, grew and harvested vegetables, and maintained their equipment and habitat, all while dealing with the stressors of isolation, resource limitations, and communication delays with Earth. Their experiences are invaluable for NASA's future crewed missions to Mars, slated to begin in the late 2030s or early 2040s. Today, you can watch these volunteers emerge from their year-long isolation and return to regular Earth life in a live stream provided by NASA. This mission has provided critical insights into how we can sustain human life on Mars and bring us one step closer to making it a reality. Finally, some news about NASA's ambitious Artemis 3 mission. NASA's latest assessment suggests there could be potential delays for the human landing system, specifically the SpaceX Starship lunar lander. The current schedule aims for a crewed lunar landing in September 2026, but there's a nearly 1 in 3 chance the lander won't be ready until February 2028. This assessment comes from a confirmation review for the Human Landing System Initial Capability Project, which evaluated the cost, schedule, risks, and uncertainties associated with the mission. While NASA maintains confidence in SpaceX and continues to plan for the 2026 date, they acknowledge the technical challenges and the possibility of delays. One of the major hurdles is the in-space cryogenic propellant transfer test, scheduled for early 2025. This critical test will inform the program's design review and is essential for the mission's success. Despite these challenges, NASA and SpaceX are making significant progress, and preparations for Artemis 3 continue with great determination. NASA remains committed to returning humans to the Moon and eventually sending them to Mars. But as always, safety and thoroughness are the top priorities. We'll keep you updated on any developments regarding this groundbreaking mission. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Dark Spaceway. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling journey through the latest advancements and news in the space industry. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all things space. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Dark Spaceway. Keep reaching for the stars.